So since it's springtime and near to summertime, we decided to visit a strawberry farm, and let's see if that strawberry farm will freshen us up. Yes, while we are on the road, I can see that the life here in Adana is really coming back to normal, because I can see some of the restaurants are open and dine-in are allowed now. And I can see some kids outside the street. Yes, while we are on the road, we made a stop over here and we saw some of people who are picnicking over there. Yes, you can see. Yes, because people are now allowed to go outside even if it is Saturday or Sunday. We are now 5 kilometers away to the Eytar Çilek Bahçesi. And let's continue to drive. Now we will be getting a basket because we need it when we're picking up the strawberries there. Thank you!
Thank you.
And then there's a small orange tree here. Fresh orange. Yes, we are now entering the strawberry farm to pick some strawberries by ourselves. And 1 kilo of strawberry is 15 lira. Yes, finally we found the strawberry, but one piece and it's not yet ripe, so we will find for another strawberry here. And this is my first strawberry. This is my first time picking up my own strawberry because way back 2008 I've been in Baguio, but I didn't pick my own strawberry there because my companions are getting while I'm just waiting outside. OMG, look at this strawberry, what a shape. Let me try one. I will try it. Nice. It is sweet. Yes, we found a strawberries here. That's strawberries. I'm picking it up. Yes, look at this. From the farm. Yes, because my shoes is so dirty, I will wash it here from the pump. Then I will just do it like this. There is no water.
There is no water.
Alright, here it comes. Yes. Now he is going there. This is the place where they are weighing the strawberries.
어떻게 돼야 이쪽에서 방송해야 돼 가지고. This is 1 kilo now.
Wow, alright. And packing out. Shock na siya, Curlet, Abby. And look how many people are getting the strawberries here. OMG. Look. They're all getting strawberries. They're all buying strawberries. And many people are still coming. Picking up a strawberry in a strawberry farm is a nice experience here in Eytar Çilek Bahçesi. I hope you guys like our video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for our upcoming videos. Bye-bye!